I think, no, I figured it out on mine. I need to go live again tomorrow because I need to go live on 3 separate days. So we gotta go live.
It's not ano yet. You're parang not. Yeah, there's like a requirement.
Di pa verified. Ganun.
Oh, wow!
What? Bro, guys, you don't know how much I miss Mike. We haven't seen each other in forever.
miss you, bro.
It's been way too freaking long.
Grabe.
Idol!
Nag-ML ka na, ha?
Bro, sobrang saya mag-ML. Legit. Sobrang saya.
Ayan, ikaw yung naka-expand ngayon.
Sobrang saya ng... Do you play?
Yeah, I do.
Dude, let's play.
Oh, sige, I have to get another device, though.
Okay. No!
Congrats, ha? You're MMFF! Yeah!
Hey!
More boys!
Yo! Bro, it's my first one. Grabe, sobrang...
I'm so proud of you.
Explain.
And
Sobrang
Romance
saya.
Reboot!
Romance Reboot!
Come on!
Makikita tayo, diba? Sa special screening.
Yes, sir! Shit. What'd you do today, Duo?
Today, some work, and then I'm going out for dinner.
Nice. And then ML na lang.
ML time. What rank are you?
I don't have a rank yet.
Oh, okay.
I'll work para have the higher rank.
Yeah, no, I'll play with you so that you can get a rank, a good rank.
So you have to go one more live, and then you could do the 2 live na.
Yes, we can co-host na.
Sige,
Do
dude.
live tomorrow. What are you doing today?
I'm gonna eat na rin. I'm gonna dinner lang.
Okay, perfect. So tomorrow, let's live again since
Yes,
okay na.
sige, Duo.
We can
Okay.
do. Oh, guys, alam niyo na magme-mini live kami bukas.
Bukas na to.
Abangan niyo na.
Tuloy na.
Abangan niyo na bukas.
Ito muna ang reunion natin, Duo, online.
Yes. Konting gift lang to, pero next time ulit.